for them?
Boba.
They have the same goalies that play for every team. Who's that guy down there?
That's Boba Jacobson.
Oh, that's Jacobson?
That's Boba, yeah.
He played in the USHL.
Yeah,
I played against him, yeah.
Remember he used to be skinny?
Where's he playing now?
He plays beer league.
Aren't we playing like the last place team?
No, dude, they're in like second place.
They're terrible.
No, they're not. I brought them.
We beat them like.
I brought them a couple players today.
What? Why would you do that?
Because the last time they only had 7 players. And guess how many?
Yeah, well, that's their fault.
They have 13 players today.
Okay, well, it looks like we're playing a pretty good, solid team tonight, or so Rusty says, because the Phantoms have been in last place the last like 5-10 years, last like 6 seasons, last 8 seasons, so it should be an easy dub. This is game 2, Tropics versus the Phantoms.
It's just moving on, and we've got a group here, and we're moving on with it. And so GoPro's got that one. Left-hand shot.